Hello guys, our vlog for today is I'm going to make a homemade rotisserie chicken or a baked whole chicken. So before I'm gonna do that, I'm going to pop this with a paper towel to make it dry because I washed the whole chicken and I already turned on the oven so that it will gonna be ready when I'm done marinating this chicken. So first, I'm going to tusok or the chicken so that it's gonna be absorb the season to the meat or inside the meat of the chicken. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to marinate with salt. I'm going to marinate with salt inside. So lots of salt. I want like salty a little bit for the whole chicken. And of course the pepper. Inside, and a very simple fancy. And I'm going to add with a lemon and pepper seasoning. That's a lemon, especially inside. Rubby with the butter for this whole chicken so that it's gonna be a garlicky lemon butter or buttery garlic baked chicken or a rotisserie. We call it here rotisserie, but this is my homemade and I'm going to put inside a lemongrass. There you go. And then I'm going to put that lots of garlic and butter inside the body of the chicken so that it's gonna be yummy. There you go. More butter. I like to add more butter so that it's gonna be buttery and it's gonna be tasty, yummy of your whole chicken. This is easy marinated. We're gonna cook like 45 minutes. We will see. Butter. It's gonna be tasty so good. So then I'm gonna wash my hand first. Then we're gonna put it in a rack and put it in the oven. Foil. Mostly I use foil so that it won't gonna messy my tray. And then gonna place this chicken like this. Or gonna flip later. I'm gonna waste this some of the garlic and then I'm put inside the bag. And then ready to put in the oven. Okay, it's already ready. close, and we could flip that to the other side, and then we will see. Look at that. We're gonna try to flip it the other side. Look at that. Try it, LJ. Try it. It's already cooked. It's been like an hour and 20 minutes. Look at that. Here, the sizzling. Here, what the? Ooh, we will see. We will see. Look. Oh, that's perfect. It's juicy inside.
It's not bloody.
That's perfect.
It's all juice.
No, yes, it is. It's juicy. There you go, LJ. You can have the leg.
I will have the legs.
Oh.
I'll bring it to work. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sige. I'll turn it off.
I
Or...
can have the wings. And look at the wings. I'm gonna have it. And I'm gonna try because this is very simple. Perfecto.